Hey, it's Rich for Goaty2 from Robin Hood. Just thought I'd run through my morning routine now with you. So excuse the nakedness, straight out the shower. I'm not completely naked. Wet beard, bit of a shampoo, bit of a condition. Other than that, just a bit wet. Toweled it off. Got some outlaw oil. Now the oil itself, you can go through the ingredients, but realistically anybody can read the ingredients to me. Smoky, alcohol, so you've got rum, you've got whiskey, very, very musky, masculine scent, fab scent really. So we're using that this morning, so we've got the outlaw oil. Splodge a little bit on the old hands, rub it up, in, stroke it, scrub it straight through. You've got a fab smell hitting you, deadly serious. The oil itself, to be honest, a lot of time is all I use, just from keeping it good condition. But I do tend to like my beard to be free. But there you go, all stroked through, all rolled through. Quick whiz through with the old comb, just to get it all in. My comb smells absolutely amazing. It's got all the oil from Robin Hood for the last year or so, all soaked in it, so it does smell wicked. All on. Right, now we've got, mixing it up slightly now, multi-balm, but we're going with dark honey, my favourite. The dark honey one is absolutely fantastic, literally like it says, honey, bit of a vanilla-y scent, really, really sweet, but not too camp sweet, so it's not something that's going to make it all through the day. Really, really nice scent. So scrape some off. You've got like a jelly consistency. So a bit on the back of your thumb. Same as the oil, straight through, smooth it through, work it through. The good thing with the multi-balm, it holds your beard, but not in a really, really stiff way, in a really, really soft, flexible way, so you can't really tell you're using it, other than your beard's not like this by the end of the day. Also as well, if you do ever tend to brush your beard or comb your beard, I know you're not supposed to 2 times a day, but if you do, my beard gets dead snagged up pretty quick, whereas by using the multi-balm, the comb still runs smooth through it smooth by the end of the day. So wash that off. So same again. Brush. So comb it through. JD. All sorted. Last touch. Stache wax. Love this little bad boy. So this is again going back down to the outlaw. Do like this under my nostrils. Really, really nice scent. So again, got slightly scabby nails, so ignore that. But yeah, scrape a bit off. On your fingers, rub it in. It'll go really, really nice, really, really quickly creamy. If it is a bit too sticky, just let it warm up a bit or something. I know sometimes if I leave it on my windowsill in the middle of winter, it goes a bit crappy. There you go. Not doing any twizzles today, because I'm just off to the barber's in a bit anyway. See Martin at Less Than Zero, who stocks Robin Hood products by coincidence, for a bit of a trim and a touch up and a tidy up. So, again, stache wax through. So we've got the oil on, the balm on, stache wax on. Now what that's going to do is, a bit globulated, isn't it? You've got the oil to keep it nourished, keep it protected, keep it soft. You've got the balm to hold its shape, but also keep it smooth and soft throughout the day. You've got the stache wax on just so every time I open my mouth I don't swallow my stache, otherwise it curls right out, or it goes up here all over the place, makes you look like a prat. So that way, clears your mouth, Job done. Sweet. There you go. All the Robin Hood products, genuinely, absolutely fantastic. I wouldn't promote anything I don't believe in, simple as that. There isn't a bad product out there. There isn't a bad scent. But you do have your oils with the new tops, multi-balms, tache waxes, and old packet, but also texture balms, which is a harder, tackier one. So that's more for like a gel hold, so it proper holds it. It's really, really good. But this type of weather, I like it to flow in the wind. So there you go. Job done. No worries. Check it out. So www.robinhoodbeardco.co.uk. If you use GOATEE15 at the checkout, then there's 15% off as well. Okie dokes. Adios.